Jerry can say, man, I know hop off our Prime Minister back. The man I do a good job. Hop off I'm back. The man I do a good job. The man say people him used to say I grow and I beg. Other part I love about it, you know. People him used to say I beg. Them not beg again. Big up yourself up top. Them not beg again. Them a get up and go to work. You see, most of the people when I complain how when I want to go work. I say one of them as a big man. Sit down on TikTok about people I give money if you go chop bush. And yeah, big up, Williams Organ. You the on world how long you the on earth. And yeah, take money if you go chop down people. Ah, wonderful, wonderful. But anybody in them rightful mind now, you know, I go, no man, me not tell a lie. In a Jamaica terms, the youth are do good. The man a perform. The man a perform. The country look up. Things are going. Yeah, things are going. So when people are going like man nah do nothing. Guy we not have a lazy PM. And that's the thing, you know. That's the thing enough people don't understand. We have a hard working PM. Wherever they on the go. See man just come back. The man just come back and look at him there. But I think Sydney, why mother add it? We not Sydney we done with the back and you just say forward we are go Sydney. It would make no sense me add you. Honestly. What you are gonna come tell me new? You are support your government and you no care you not gonna change. You not gonna change, you know. So why me I go add up on the platform? No sense. That don't make no sense, you know. Moderator, hold on.
Hello,
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. It's been
No
a long
dinosaurs
while.
around
I've
here.
been listening to you guys, but every time I'm listening to
Hold
you
on.
guys, I'm at work.
Hold on. Yeah, exactly, Travis. One more Sydney can come tell we say. What Sydney can tell what we want here? No make no sense. Go ahead. So,
Good evening, good evening.
hold on. John was talking. Make sure continue, please. I made it in terrify.
Are you calling
Good
me Joe?
afternoon, good afternoon.
Jennifer Jones.
Good
I am,
afternoon. Don't add
I am
Sydney.
saying, I am saying,
Dennis,
I
go.
listen to you guys, and I appreciate you guys. You are doing a wonderful work, and continue to stand up for the right of the Prime Minister. But every time I'm listening to you guys, I'm at work. And right now, I'm at work. So now just
Oh,
carry
and
on the good work.
yeah,
Yeah?
man. We not give up
Okay.
because him have to third term.
Yes, so now press on. I love it. I love it. So now carry on, okay?
Yeah, man.
Politics.
All right, take care.
God
Politics.
bless.
Drop me out the box,
Hey,
please.
son.
Mr. Politics, good afternoon.
Hey, Kali, what's up? Oh, we look like a long time.
Sydney's on farm work driving taxi. What time Sydney get to want to come in our back?
Serious thing, though,
No,
Kali. What me I go
Cali not
on?
easy.
What me I
Cali.
go on? Kali,
Yes.
what me I go on here for Sydney?
But
Tell
he's
me.
on farm, they bring him on farm work and he's driving taxi, so he should be driving taxi.
No,
What
but
is he
take
going to tell
away,
us?
though. Take away. Me dey on live now, And here, a good look at time, me at the live now, we have talk with Sydney them.
We
What more
don't
would
want them now. It's time for us to push our agenda.
not even comment, me now Sydney, comment, me now
Exactly. Politics, exactly.
Yo, Sydney say non-stop, say Prime Minister thief money, you know. What we had him for?
but it not stick, make them sorry. Oh, and everybody
But
at Jamaica
but
now say
no
that
on
they
our
are
platform, brother. No make it not go come on our platform, come spill them the nonsense there.
Exactly.
Let me tell you something.
Make him go somewhere else.
Hold on, let me tell you something, guys. If I cheer we alone, but no more PMP. Until we
Thank you.
come and done
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
more PMP.
Thank you so much.
Me no a campaign. You ever go a conference? You ever go a conference and see JLP and PMP mix up?
No, no, sir.
Look here. Politics, new topic. Left Sydney. Man.
Yeah,
I
politics.
just love. I was watching my Prime Minister's live. Oh my God, my Prime Minister is so loved by people. Even though they over there, so they spread their narratives. Trust me, even the little pitney them. Everybody want hold the Prime Minister and everybody want take picture. Every man,
600 feet, take a right on Linden Avenue.
I just
Man,
love
me
it.
can't get a thought. Me just done watching live to me. I say, man, me say tears come on my eye, man. Me say people love the Prime Minister, people
Oh
love the
my
Prime Minister.
God.
Boy, me tell you, say,
Continuing with driving directions. Turn right onto Linden Avenue.
Hey Sam,
eh?
yeah,
Go past the stop sign. Then at the next one, turn left.
Travis,
So my interrupt. There's somebody I do
come
some
Travis, mute your
navigation and
mic.
interrupt. Me not hear you.
Thanks.
In the Linden Avenue, as soon come lick, as soon come broke in foot. In the Linden Avenue, you know where me is, you know.
in the near you.
When I'm in Brooklyn.
Okay.
He didn't hear me too.
Hey, wait, that's the politics. Me not hear you, you know.
Me I said them say a wicked love cry now more than one time. Me yeah, come and say yeah, almost. Man,
Me I tell you, man, me I tell you, say, me not, if I tell you I read a lie, man, I die, man. Me say about 4 times me wipe me eye, man, to see how people love him, man. Me say me love him, man. Me not tell no lie, brother. Me I say, yo, I same time me go and scan, I say, me can't find one live, you know, cause he just done, and me say, me see who they on live, cause me have to come tell him. But me love him, man, brother. Me love him, man. And no add Sydney. Don't add Sydney, but
no man, me
there's
done
no,
with,
you can't
no
do with them,
man.
the man there.
Guy, let me tell you something. One, you say anytime when I see me go live, a one, if I cheer we, a campaign season now. Me don't know debating. Me done with them or something. Campaign.
Especially with them, the man there. Me can't see one somebody when a two know who you want
Yeah.
to vote for.
Yeah,
You can't
exactly.
add him. But them the hardcore PMP where nothing can change them. Me say the truth could have blind their eye. They not admit. Where you add them for? Don't add them, brother.
But you
Me say
know,
me love him, man. Me just done watching live, man. And me say yo, me have to find a life he can express how me love him, man. People love him, man, like gold, brother.
no man, him man, I
tell you.
boss. Man. Him my
My
boss.
boss, man.
All of them say my lose rate. Lose rate. You never see man touch anywhere and people are crazy.
Man,
Me say all of them are PMP in their heart, they still want to shake your hand.
And
You know
I
that?
take picture. What hold on guys, second down. Let me ask. You know, say some people really not ashamed. A man left from where a town a come give you land. Not just land, he might give you road, light and water.
water.
And you come in a PMP color.
Should I run him? You should have beat him.
Yeah, auntie, that you know, see nobody by the society I do them foolishness.
No.
And listen,
and
he
if
said
the
them go
crowd
get them
turn down-
title.
And if the crowd did get mad pan if you of them and beat them here, say we love problem.
Exactly.
Alright. But them a come and look problem, you know?
Sure.
Them
But
a come and
I
look
say,
problem.
them not no ambition. Remember say man I give you know I would want somebody give me a piece of land now.
And title in your hand.
And
You know what
title
it
in
is?
your
You have
hand.
title in your hand?
Good afternoon, laborers. And you notice when the PM are going anywhere, very, like on those occasions, him not going no green shirt, you notice the man wear him normal
In
clothes.
blue.
Yeah. Normally.
Who here when somebody call him when he was walking to the van and he say, yo, Me say, yeah, me Prime Minister.
Me not hear that.
No, me
Me
never
watch
hear
it in
that.
this.
Yeah, man. Somebody when he was walking, he was
Yes,
when
man,
they
it's true.
finished.
It's true. I hear him.
I
Yes, and he
hear it
was
too.
walking.
I
Somebody
hear it too.
said,
And when I time more
the
people are
Prime
kind of say,
Minister
"Oi!"
Andrew Holness, Andrew. He said, yo,
Me not tell you no lie,
You know,
you know.
you them a say Prime
You know,
Minister
say
under
it hard for hate the man.
tight security.
It hard for hate the man there, you know. You see,
Yeah,
enough of them today,
for
them a
real,
PMP,
Sam.
but it hard
Sam,
for
me
hate him.
agree with
Oh
you, Sam.
man.
Me agree with you. Hard. At
True.
first, no Portia as bad as them say Portia did love Portia did for the people. No, sir.
No,
Me
sir,
not,
nobody never crazy over Portia like how them crazy over Andrew.
nobody. Yeah, the
Me, I
man.
tell you, say me can't believe say PMP did the way he know say my PMP and he not go vote, but he know he can't hate the Prime Minister because the man love written all over the man. So they he just like you can't hate him even though you say, boy, me can't bend the rules and vote for him. You know, but me just can't hate him. It's hard to hate him. Me not tell you no lie, but I see it
but
straight.
there was a man there standing in the white, and I heard somebody say, like the person, where they do you so? And the Prime Minister and say, left him, man, I'm a friend.
Aye, me hear that.
No
I'm a
man, what the
friend.
man said, no, that man is a founder. Feel like him the land, something him have to do with it. So he's like a big man in
Oh,
the
yeah, like he was a long time
Oh,
person in the society up by the community.
yeah
Yeah.
man.
okay.
Wanna
And
see
he
the
was
new video
asking
where
him
I
what
run? Wanna
he
see the
said, tell him
new
a secret.
wanna see the Chavi, you see the new video where I run? With all of the MP them I endorse the PM on the
Boy,
city.
me love him, me love him, me love him, me
No,
love him.
I haven't seen it.
On the see how
Nah, tell no lie,
things
brother.
different from how the comrades them do for them thing. You see how everything them organized and different. Anytime them say something or do something, man, it is always different from the comrades them chaka. It's in my groups, man. Me no know how no campaign.
But if you leave a chaka, what you expect?
Yeah, man. Different, man. Me
Me I tell
post it
you,
on
man.
Facebook. So who follow me on Facebook with it on Facebook.
Me
All
love
of the
him, man. I
minister them
saw it.
come up and say something, man. Me tell man how them do it, man. It make you it will
But
increase
what
your
them a do and
style,
what we a
man.
do before them, you know, we say it, you know, see everybody have a playing picture. We say we are stand with him.
Mm-hmm.
What they do? You post it on Facebook?
Yeah, my name Bridget Watson on Facebook. My name, my right
All
name.
right. All right.
Man, nice man.
Yeah,
Man,
That
nice
I
man.
don't
Man,
know.
you see, Saturday night
Down
politics
to
and but
earth.
you see when time the
Hey,
meeting done, the people
hold
them
on, me could hear
flock.
from Bridget. Me could do it one at a time. Go
aye,
on.
No
go
man,
on.
they say Saturday night when the town hall meeting done, man. The people them flock the man, man. The man couldn't move, and I want to tell you, I'm mostly young people, I'm mostly
Bridget,
young
how me never see you?
people.
How me never see you, Bridget? What go on? How
Because
me not see
you
you?
don't know me, Travis. You don't know me.
Me not
Because me and the Prime
understand this,
Ono
Minister,
did
man.
be there.
me and the Prime Minister, I take pictures, so you don't know me.
Alright.
Listen, man. Listen, Bridget.
Ono
Bridget.
dey a big foreign, he won't come off a milk a foreign, make me get to take a picture with him.
Bridget, how me not see you? Me not understand.
Me no know, me no know.
You
I
see
made it
so
up
many other
front.
people as up top general in the fire. Dean
Yeah,
general, I
up,
mean,
up,
Dean.
yeah, up top
As
general. Me
Dean.
never saw none either. So
You never see Dean either.
all when we have the meeting with the Prime Minister after the fact, we never see you.
Oh, that
Because
Travi.
we have a little meeting after it look like he can get a call. We have a little chit chat after the so we get to take the picture when everybody did gone and the secret service and come in a call we and tell we say okay we must stay here so he's coming and I so we get to take the picture and him come down and he must say to us so no listen to the message or no hear the message and we say yes PM and he say oh no understand what I was saying all of we did there we say yes and then take picture with all of we and he all post it on him IG. Never
Hey,
see a travel man.
I yesterday me watch it, you know. I yesterday me watch
Travi,
it, you know. And this is one PMP man we come there with the whole like anger in him in a account talk about hate you all and that.
Petty,
You know.
yes.
But I
This is
say,
me love how the
look,
Prime
look
Minister
on
just
the
shut
street.
him down
Look if you not look like
the
some.
intelligent way.
Sam,
We just
Sam,
laugh at him.
Sam, look if you not look like some at Jamaica. Look past some company live them.
Hold on. Somebody asked one question in the chat, said that how was the crowd? The crowd was very energetic, very receptive. I was there was a great atmosphere.
Yeah.
Trust me. And so when the Prime Minister make him point them and the people resignated when he say, you know the crowd are gonna react. You understand me? It was good. It was good.
It was magnificent. And a lot of people came. Travi, the place is cold, man. Me say, cold is it, Travi? I mean, never just more.
Javi.
Oi, oi.
Yeah, Christian, do you hear anything about South Chilani when the by-election gonna be down there?
Wait for your Prime Minister. Don't let nobody else tell you anything. Just wait for your Prime Minister.
After the one, William, remember, so we not cross,
Oh,
we not
no,
finish
no,
with-
don't say that, Bridget. Nobody no know if no by-election I go keep a Chilani, so I could left out a one day.
No, man, the
Wait
Prime
for the
Minister
Prime
did
Minister.
say so. The
Yeah,
Prime
he said they will be coming.
He said I go
Others
keep
will be
them,
coming.
but just wait for
Others
him.
will be coming. That's
Yeah,
what that's the
Remember,
word from him. The
Chilani-
others will be
No,
coming.
guy, get this
So wait
straight.
on him.
Hold on, get this straight. Chilani, nobody know what will happen at Chilani. Remember, said Dalrymple put up on the campaign. So, we don't know if no by-election are going to take place at Chilani.
I think I heard that they're waiting for her to go to court and then decide after
That's
that.
what she said. So, make we just... And then...
Make we cross
Prime
one
Minister
bridge,
said this
William.
one announced, the others will follow in short.
Yeah,
order.
exactly.
My
That one
argument,
at
wait
Clarendon,
for him
one at
until the
St.
Prime
Thomas.
Minister say XYZ, it's XYZ, it's ABC.
Yeah, man,
right?
and them being no, not to push you aside, but we have bigger thing to think about. Because them a play one game with them hot 100 head, but we are stand strong.
Yeah.
We not give up and we lead because I mess with it so far. So we are stand up strong.
Yeah, man, wait, 100%.
Anything. Because anybody at all and put us out Chilani are sure winnings.
That's it. That's it. That want the people and show them.
That is it.
When time.
Go past this light, then at the next
Today,
one,
I
turn right.
go pass such man. Me a pass such man live. And him a mad out over a pole. That a pole on the right. That a pole on the right. And nothing not true. They want to show off the comrade them. Comrade we not accept the pole. I say, but yeah.
But the
After
access
we
we
not,
go pull them.
me I say after we not run with pole. And it a kill them. We not run with pole.
Yeah, we not run with Paul. We not run with Paul, you know.
How much people here talk about the
And them
pole?
fascinated over them fast poll about them at
Exactly.
8%. And we not run with Paul.
Who say over them go
poll?
The man a mad out about
And
the
them,
pole.
and them every day them have Paul the road. Every week a matter of fact.
When them talk about pool, man, you tell them if you go dance panic. Go dance panic pool.
It look like them not get no good result and now they stop. Look like them not get no good result. Cause every week they usually have poll, you know. Every week.
Chuck, we are standing with him 100%, bro.
And then with the PM 100%
I would have
Chuck.
passed me out. What about it?
Oh, them no know where fi. It's like them no know which angle fi hit pan. Even last night, you know, you check so them I eat that Bridget. Them know what them are doing. Last night, me I got through the. You remember Cliff? You don't say Cliff do some things I'm narrate. Cause Cliff, you don't say Cliff did come out and say if it was a general election. Well, I never him me here say it. Me not gonna say him. Somebody will come on the live.
Let me tell you what Cliff said. Cliff said,
No, he said too. He said
and he
too.
would have won, but it would be a close call. That's
No,
what he
not that Chavi. What may I say? Unless somebody did come and say, Cliff just say how JLP have a lot of work with because can you imagine Juliet Holness would have lose her seat if it was a general election. And what's your name? The education minister Favor would have lose her seat if it was a general election. But when me do the check,
That's in the local election.
yeah.
Yes, Bridget.
Yeah,
But
man,
Cliff
he
is not a
said,
political analyst.
Hold on, guys. When me do the check, you see, it two of them would have win comfortable. Juliet Wollens would have win comfortable, Favor Wollens would have win comfortable. So at that pressure PMP them, cause guess who would have win comfortable too? The guy up Central Kingston. Them now get back Central Kingston.
Them not get it back. Them
But
not
them
get
be
it back.
trouble them can't all the year them a run up and down. Them can't say we how if we win. Only if we get down and do Wollens. That's the only way.
But
Yeah, them can't get back into Central.
winner, I would advise Cliff to stick to journalism and left out politics.
Hey, Collie, you know, so from February 25th, when him called the election for PMP and show off with thing, from that, me not listening, me no.
Me no listen to him and me never like that
From-
Yabba man there from
Yeah,
morning.
true, la.
Me no listen.
me did stop listening to him too. Me did stop. I recently me
My
start
friend, them
listening to
have
him
said,
back
no,
again.
man. And since what they, like my friend, and we said, Bridget, turn into and listen this man. Me did stop listening.
Yeah, I see him,
Period.
Bridget.
Me
Yeah, I
serious
see
when
him.
I'm in a Bridget, me a Leo band now when me cut you off, you cut, Me,
Yeah, man,
me,
me
man.
did stop, man.
Me did stop listening to him too. Recently, since his bank account sitting here, me start listening to him again.
Yeah, me start listening George and listen one and two things. But me did
Big
stop
up yourself,
listening to
that weird.
man mess you up election night, man. I mean, you said them a tell him say don't call it, because a lot of the box him never come in. But through him a drama queen. My drama queen, So
And he want his station to declare it first, like what he did
Yeah.
with the general election.
Yeah, man, he mess up big time, man.
So from that, first time 5 o'clock news couldn't miss me anywhere part me there in the United States. Me set my phone 5 o'clock. No, sometimes I not even remember when I news. If somebody not really draw me attention to it and say tune in, man, me not remember it. No, man.
He hype up, when he call it election, he hype up the PMP, them and make them feel like they win and carry on. And
How much
man, just mess up the thing.
man?
I must tell you. But when him a go say Juliet to the loser, see, nothing no go so.
But he's not a political analyst. That I must stick to journalism. He's not a political analyst.
Because she never lose by no whole heap in the Kenta. She don't know that she didn't lose by
I
no
remember run it down. In a George, our garden town, 1,488. That's at the first division. We get 1,196. Mavis Bank, JLP 1,282. PMP 1,201. Della what they do is this, JLP 1,670. PMP 1,503. Harborview, that's a Harborview, a younger place so they win big enough. PMP get 1,400.
And that is a huge a lot of Harbour.
Yes, because man, they place them, the PMP out there from ancient days.
Yeah,
and
well,
all of them not change.
Yeah, then when them a girl say what a PMP get also.
Right.
So, out of the division, them are just, so out of the division, I'm going to Harborview and Kentire them get.
And if you say if it was a general, it would be different.
Should be in politics. Something go wrong in a Kentire.
But
Something go wrong with a Kentire.
Kentire, them barely win Kentire.
Yeah, them barely win it. Them barely win it. I think if it was a general, if it was a general, it would be different. They can move. If it was a general,
mother family then the Bridget. Something go wrong at Kentire. Something go wrong. Me I tell you no.
The Labour, them just never come vote. And it was a general, it would be different.
Exactly.
Man, mess up with Cliff mess up with the night, the boy.
You send me on the toilet, me I tell you I made a sin.
Hey, Kali,
Me say my friend from England called me and cuss me, man, cuss me say me if me couldn't turn a Jamaica 2 more days and vote. Come up and go make PMP win. The man cuss me say, Lord, my friend, me one vote and not me, and not me. After the next morning, me hear what go on, me say, man.
Your friend have a right for cussing and me hate when I not talk then something about one
No,
vote.
politics, me not tell no lie, man. Me wait and me wait, me not tell no lie. Me turn 3 weeks over my time when me did supposed to come back. 3 weeks I wait for the
No, me
election.
not blame you for that, you know, but me not love when you say one vote.
yeah.
Oh,
One vote president win by a Central Kingston.
Every vote count. Every vote count.
Yes.
Yeah.
But we win down in a few area still, you know. We don't lose down in a few area still. We win at those other areas. I remember I say I sent to me there, you know, we win
Me
most
say,
of the areas.
I'm Bridget, me and my sister on the phone, you know, and when me see the Mark to the man say, if I praise them, oh my God, they the Campbell and Mark Golden is doing very well. And me and listen when he said them win, me say me never remember say me and my sister they on the phone, I tile it, me run find a man.
Hey, Kali,
Bridget,
idea before
that's
that
why we
me
have to
did
put
come
out
in the
more.
Kali, cause me never get no time off. So the day before election, the day before me fly, you know. And me say when me at the hotel room, you know, man, I me watch me I watch TV and me I listen Cliff Hughes. And I'm a friend in there, me I say to hold me vex, man, to hold me say nearly most me mash up the people them friend of his say, hey, yeah, mommy for pay for this. So me vex me, I tell you, I got my bed same time. I never wake till the next morning. I take 2 sleeping pill and go my bed. I never wake till the next morning. Me
Me
hear
never
them
got me bed in a Bridget because my mother from Jamaica call me. The dirty people they make PMP win. Me niece them call me dirty people they want to make PMP win. And when me did them, me see Andrew call the press consent in 9 hours of the night there.
all that me never see no me vex.
Me call my sister, me say, Jesus Christ,
Just a
we
minute.
win. They
Hello,
can hear me now, white people, their house.
Kali. See Chuck say who standing with the Prime Minister.
Me,
Oh, you know that
100%.
answer check already, man.
That gone already, man. Money coming out, I could just have a little freak storm, man.
Yes, sire. Yes,
I'm
yes,
said, you
yes.
know what hurt me? Chris take away the celebration from us down by Belmont. With
Yeah,
the
man.
3-hour celebration.
In crampy celebration, man. In crampy.
Right. Crumpy.
Crampy.
Cliff better know.
I'm a labor right friend over here. She called me the next morning and me go check her and she said, Sam, why me not love you, me not love you, me not happy, me not love the winnings at all.
No, the winning
Me I
never
say,
nice
baby, we win, no matter what, we win still. Me I say, no, sir, I'm not love you, and so we used to eat. Me say,
It
boy,
never
you
nice again from the
Cliff
war.
mash up him.
We couldn't go celebrate. We Prime Minister not give no speech, nothing at all. It does
Man
crumb.
mash up him, man.
Yeah,
Man
man,
mash
it
up
mash
him.
it up.
I was in Jamaica. Me come up the day before election. Me go down nomination day. And me come up back the day before because I had to come to work. Man, me vex. So till. Trust me. Me vex still. Actually, you don't even know. And then when me they watch it, me they said every minute me call who me they ask who win. Me can't get nothing. So my son go live and make me they watch it on the TV and they listen. Me vex so nice. Me start cause you Cliff use.
Just decide to run across the road. He lucky somebody never lick him physics.
And then when me hear the Prime Minister came on now, me say alright.
All they apologize when apologize and that don't change
Yeah, all the
nothing.
apology me never
You
accept
see,
it.
fine,
Make
you
him
say
move
certain
not
things,
finish.
you cannot take it back. You can't take it back. You have to be careful of the things you say.
But me yes, George Davis not tell him not to call it, you know. But him are the boss, him go like him know everything. Me yes, George not tell him not to call it.
But you know what? You know what mess him up? Him Him now watch it him now watch it box, I mean and just a watch what come in.
I
But
watch
If
the
Cliff
me
is
that watch it
numbers.
box.
look here, Cliff is a seasoned. Him do them someday every year, politics, and him supposed to know say him have to wait until certain
No,
amount
yes,
of
but
bucks
guess
come
what?
in.
Yeah
Him
you're right, but
know.
guess what? Remember him been
Complete.
saying you know why I blame him, Marcia? Him been saying system that get on trouble so the man I see the back. The man I see him out of back, you know, so that's why I blame him to call it.
Make him
And
move and
Like
go.
in the anxious to the Mark Goal in a win. I remember
Yes,
Mark
him
Goal
did
come out and
anxious
said,
to give it to him,
he's
Colin.
not conceding. He's not conceding. You know what that could cost on the country?
Make him
cause when
move.
me did that watch me did
Anyway,
now.
anyway, anyway, my peeps, me I go jump off now because me I go work
Country?
and
Yes, Bridget. Take care
Yeah
of
man,
Alright.
yourself,
big up
girl.
yourself.
Okay, love,
Good
alright.
Yeah.
evening, Labor Rights.
Good
Good
evening.
evening,
Shower,
Grams.
shower, shower.
Good evening.
Good
Shower labor
evening.
rights.
Where you calling in from? Who is this? This look new. Look like a new person.
Rain a fall right now. Shower, shower. Yeah, I tell you.
But guys, we are gonna win it. We are gonna win it. We can well me confidence
Me I go win him,
we
man.
are gonna win and we not gonna just win, we are gonna win
We're
and
not
some.
gonna scrape through. We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
Yeah, me love that. We not gonna scrape through.
Me honestly believe say we now go get with numbers like the last time, but we are gonna
Alright,
win by
Sam,
a good
Sam, yeah.
Sam,
margin.
Me know
Sam,
your
Sam,
opinion, but me
Sam,
don't
stop
want to
that.
hear it.
Sam,
Honestly.
Sam.
Sam, you're very pessimistic.
Me
Yes,
know
Sam.
your
No,
opinion, but me don't
No,
want to
Sam,
hear it.
I know you, Sam. That is how you speak.
no, me just
Good
start say
And
evening.
I don't, I
talk
do
me
not
believe.
delve,
Me
I do
don't
Good
not
evening,
want
delve.
everyone.
Hello, hold on.
Good
I do
evening.
not
Check out that
delve
young
in
lady. Our young
negativity.
lady.
I do not delve in catastrophe thinking
Right.
because when you
stop
think
All
now.
right, mom.
negative,
All
you
right.
will
Me
get
apologize.
negative.
Me
So
apologize.
let's
My
focus.
mistake. I'm
All right,
sorry.
so
I'm
Sam, you
sorry.
have a role to play. We all have a role to play,
But
and we can do it.
But Philippine, why different though? Me believe the government even improve more than 2020, you know. So why we can't get back
Of
even more?
course.
And the
Because of the
lies where they
Improve a
tell, the
whole lot.
lies where they tell pan with
No man,
politics,
I
the
tell
lies,
everybody I
So
hear.
that is
Everybody
why
I hear.
we have
Let me
to
Sam,
tell
push
you
out the
something about Jamaica.
positives.
that too
the
will pass.
propaganda where they
That too
spread
will
pan
pass.
we.
So
Oh,
Sam, that
That
is why
will
you have
pass.
to equip yourself by reading and knowing the truth and spreading it.
Yeah,
guys,
yeah,
wanna know a
Philippine,
Jerry,
but
not
some
true.
people just nah listen to that. You
Wanna
understand what
know
me
a
I say?
Jerry.
So you have to
Hold on.
reason because not everybody are gonna know it. So you have to reason and you have to. Me no want to say it.
All
Me
right,
can't say it on the live,
let
yeah.
me can draw one little reference why me
But
say
me,
that.
you know, me
Me
want
no
one
wanna hear
group.
why
Me
you
want
say
me,
it.
All
Let
right,
me
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 go
now
there.
but draw the reference. Me
Me
now
no
but
me
draw
want
wanna
the
make
hear
reference.
it.
Left
me
it
Me
there.
want
want
to hear it.
Left it there so. Left it
you
there
know
Yeah.
so.
me want guys listen. Me want make one group where all of you can come in and me can say certain things because me have to we have to go start a different approach and may have
Big
some
up
ways
yourself,
that
Ninja man.
where we can control the narrative out there. I have some ways
Okay,
that I
madam.
feel like yeah.
All right.
So
Um,
me kinda busy. Me go busy for the next week. So come here focus on something personal. So me I go missing for a while. But me see like them a come out
Set up a
now.
big business man for making
Me
money man.
see me have my business already. Me see like them a come out in support and I do something. Me just watch one video by Floyd and me just see one video with them doing a parliament. I come out in support of the
yeah, me
PM.
just
Me
post it.
like it. Me
Me
like
just
that.
post it on Facebook.
And
But I
me
want to.
just them something that kind of motivate me and me feel
Yeah.
good. Yes.
How me get it
Cause
from?
we want to know say them have we back, you know, cause we depend yes and we are do the work. So we want to know say them are back we too, you understand?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Philippine. How me get it post from Facebook to TikTok? I try it
You have
and
to download it.
oh, all right. I'm gonna do
Hold
so.
on.
There's is this
Every
a
day me I
lady up
learn
the top
something new.
here?
Yeah, thanks. Make we hear from
Yeah,
Grant.
me could hear from Graham.
Question.
What you want
I
us from
83 people up here.
Yes, yes,
It is.
yes.
Oh, me just a notice it. Me just that's why me a ask. Me don't know much about it. Me just notice it up here, so me a ask.
Sam, you are no old man, you are young man,
Yeah, man, but you me never there look at the number small and me need me glass.
Man,
Me just a see. You
that's
see me
why
no
I
say me
say,
no go get me glass. Me just a realize say
guys,
me
Million
Sam
can't
year
see.
is
your
young
pattern.
man, Sam now reach 40, now reach 58,
Eh? Me can't read comments cause me can't see.
Here, Sam.
Me want
Don't
me
me hear you
glass. You
talk
see
that
me?
more than one time on the live. Go and look about your eyes. They are
Me know.
go and look about your eyes. When you lose your eye, what you are going to feel?
Me I do it, man. That area now do now me not do it. Me I tell
You
Hear
you.
it.
do everything you say.
But
Me
Sam,
know say me I go do it. You
you
see
the
what
can't
year when
say
me
I
come
go
up,
do it,
what
you know
year
what I
me come
mean?
up, I couldn't pull up the immigration form and the immigration woman talk
That's
to me
bad.
part cause
That's
me can't see it if you full up it. I them a look for me like me can't read and me I say, you know what, this too much you know, me have to go get me glass.
And you still
And
not
me
go do
can't
it.
see the
when you
form.
come to my mouth, with my teeth, them and my eye, don't play with me. Don't play.
I have to go get me
You know,
glass,
you're
you know.
a girl, Kali.
No, man,
Politics and
don't
sports.
play. Those are the
Politics
windows
and
to the
sports.
world. You have to look about your eyes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hey,
me
The
need
hold
to.
on,
person up at top.
Grams,
Grams.
let's hear from you, darling.
but me don't know if him internet, no, internet that show like, so
Yeah,
strong.
internet a give problem, yeah.
Are you in Jamaica, Sam? Somebody asked me if me in Jamaica. I don't know who that. I
We
agree.
don't
Hear
have
it.
to answer those questions, Sam. Don't give people your location.
Alright.
Exactly.
Try me, I try read comments. Me I cringe up my eye and look funny. You know why the glass not bother me too much. Me can't see far and I don't have a problem seeing far. Me
Oh,
can't see far here so put
Exactly.
over 1 mile. I just close reading
It
like
does
the
sound like
fool
excuse, man. You soon get
and
your
so.
white. Don't worry.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. Surely, all right.
alright, what go on me back? You don't
I
say
was the
one,
one asking Sam if
Okay.
you
Okay, okay.
rate if now
Definitely.
I want to rate
Yes, for real, man. If now you work.
the man in my
If
work.
now you post the video of the you post the
yes,
video of the center, the hospital.
no, just no, me never, me go down there yesterday and about a whole heap of situation took place down there where me never really get for go on video it.
Alright,
You
guys,
know, based on the
hold
little
on.
girl from Great Technical,
Oh my
you know,
God.
but
Yeah,
mhm.
that's right.
So I didn't
Guys,
really do all of
when I
those things just caught
when I think
my
we are
attention and so forth.
advertising,
But some
Eh,
and you and persons in Jamaica, there is a place on Oak Road. No, not Oak Road. It's in Papine. It's called Fish.
Oh, by
The
fish.
Fish Eye Care.
Fish
The
clinic,
Fish Eye
yes.
Care.
Yes.
Yes, eye clinic. And I think they do a lot of free stuff when it comes to eye and so forth with even eyeglass and thing. You know, I hear a lot of people talk about it, but I'm going to get some further more information about it, and
mm-hmm.
then I will talk to somebody on the live, or I'll,
Yeah, man. Me I go
just
back
drop
to
in my
Jamaica
2 cents
next month. Me I go
on
back
the
to
line.
Jamaica next month, so
alright, let me tell
me
guys,
plan for look
we
about
have
it
100 and,
definitely.
hold on this time. We have 110, we have all the live Jersey people. And if you know love to go live, make a point of duty. Post up something, man. Some wanna pay it private. Why wanna pay it still private? Remember say a campaign on the pan, post up things.
Same thing me where I wonder politics. Why is it private?
Yeah, man, post up some things. Or if you no can make one video, you can just
Although it
film
could
it.
be a thing where it was initially private and then they start to do the political blogging. It could
Well,
be that as well. Yeah.
Me I go do the trending
post
one.
up,
The
man.
trending.
Post up. You can take up a video, make a little video. Oh, my prime minister is best. Just post up. Once you post up,
And you can spread the achievement. I always tell them to
yes.
spread the achievements. Not just say, oh, the Prime Minister is best. Yeah, we're going to include that, but you're going to share the achievements.
We don't
So
know
and
when.
you can have a target group as well. So your target group can be, let's say
I don't know lie, you know,
hold on, you
because
can have a
what?
hold on, let me make my point. So
Okay.
your target group can be like for young people. So you post like
Alright,
the
somebody say spy
heart
there.
program.
I'm
You
gonna tell
can
them.
post the scholarships and all of that.
Yeah,
But
spy.
these are public things and they can get on it as well, despite them. It no matter, because they need to go to school.
Boy,
Yeah.
me can't tell you enough of them people and an ambition.
And you can have a target group again where you post, somebody can post about the pension and there are things that you can do. But
The
you know,
Honorable Prime Minister.
let us get numbers and then we can create the group.
Yeah, man,
And
the
if you don't want
Honorable.
to use your I'm only add the people the moment know. So anybody who walk man tell me how to add them, whatever. I don't know you, man add you. I don't want you on my phone, bye.
The Honorable Prime Minister. You know what hot me, Collie? The man drive for a town come be a land. No, I see one in the iron face, fifth
The
out
land
land.
ambition, man. The land
I
want
see me
king.
say, how am I do ya? Me I said, no, sir.
Him
You
get
know
land
about a
in
piece of
politics.
land?
Him get land.
I want to believe so, you know.
Me want it
Him
sink.
get
Me
land?
want a piece of land they sink.
I don't know, but I said, more than mine.
Me want a piece of land they sink politics. I'm serious. Like
I
when me
see
want
him.
to put weird out from the man there and say we may get another one.
Myself.
Hey,
Time when you have
you
to
know, you know what it is. If you have your title for your land, what do you when me go to the bank? Me there at Jamaica, me go to the bank and me go bank some money. The bank manager have a little meeting with me. First thing he asked me, where is your land title? You have your land title? I have some money to lend you, you know. You have your land title. Me say, so you see, land title is very important.
important,
Not
yeah.
only if you lend money, not only if you borrow, but
Mm.
it's just the you know say you own your
You
land. You
own
can't
something.
tell them you
Yeah.
want it. But one of the things though, you see all the free dents and them something, if you people win a continent and Mr. Colt, them have to lock it down in a 3 months of them where go.
I've been saying this. No, I've been saying this. No, well, I said it publicly already. I said you need to write questions and ask questions. Well, ask questions about how they will maintain and grow the economy.
Them can't,
We
them
hold
never do
on,
it.
hold on.
Yeah.
Exactly, and show me where in history they've ever grown the economy. Will social programs such as the social pension be cut? Will the social the second chance mile stay in place? You need to ask these questions. So there on TikTok, you can write. There's a section where you not only can post videos and pictures, but you can actually write these questions. Also, you have your WhatsApp groups. You have a community. You have control of a community on WhatsApp. You have about, say, 300 persons in a contact. People who are using WhatsApp daily. You have the multi messages in contact. You can send out videos. You can send out messages to people. You can write these things on your status. You can post the videos and the pictures on your status. The Prime Minister had a budget. You can cut that and put it on your status. You can look back in the 2020 manifesto. You will see that like more than 80% of the what they call it, the commitments have already been achieved. For example, the social pension, the STEM schools are now going to be open. Well, not open, but they're going to start building those hospitals. Everything. They spoke about everything, and they're actually doing it,
Yeah, man,
right?
them,
So
yeah.
we can do that. We have a lot. I'm keep on telling her this, and I even find myself sometimes, but not a lot. You see when I comment on the post and I send out, just when you comment and like them something and repost it, you make it go out more to people.
Well,
You
I do that.
send
I
it.
do that
I
every
just
day.
talk about that.
No,
Me have to
hold
block
on.
them.
Hold
Me have
on.
to block them friend.
I said when you repost their thing, the orange people thing them, when you comment
No,
on
no,
them
no,
thing
no.
them, you send it out more in the
No, me no
algorithm.
comment on them. No, me think
So
I Labour right
stop
is
Yeah,
better.
so
hold on,
stop
Philip. Hold
doing
on, hold on.
that.
May I say
Instead, focus
one
on
labourite
our
person,
side.
one labourite person, may I say unfriend him and tap him for and send it. As me don't know how that person say my labourite and everywhere Mark Gold is there. You know I send him.
No, sign is not a labor right. Your
Me,
thing is
me
labor
don't comment on anything. Then
So
attack.
I
And
am
you
saying,
know how me get to realize. Me notice that me comment on them. Me realize that them video keep on. I come to me.
Yeah
So me
man,
say,
one
you know what?
exactly. So
Do not comment on
that
them.
as well.
Just
That
ignore
as
them.
well. That as well. It's you're
you
gonna
know say
get
and this
more.
page.
And it's the same when you follow them page and when you go up on them live
Yeah.
and you now learn.
And this
Guess what?
page, you know,
You see
Attract
all
people.
hardball. You see all hardball. Me hate
no man,
hardball with a
Let
passion,
me
you
What
know.
tell
the
you
fuck?
what me do.
Please.
Let me tell you what me do. You know what
Meetings
me
say
do?
now if we go up on him page and cuss him now, me da do something. Me realize that the more me cuss him, and the more him video come to me. Me say right. So me
And them
realize that
hold
you
you
know the
in
best
them
thing to do.
trap.
Don't comment on anything. Just ignore it, pass it.
And them hold you in
Pass it.
the trap. And you see if me create one group and me allow people in there, me don't want my message them come out. Me don't want my message them come out. Me don't want nobody to share a message. Yeah, that's how the algorithm works. Because you go on their live, and that is why some of us, like myself, can block all of them, you know. You see, when uno go on their live, and me see somebody else live, one next labor right there, and uno live, you know, and them, I fit in live, and then click it, and come
Yes, that
in.
happens to me a lot of times. Me see the labor right them and when me click it at PMP live them done. Come on.
Yeah, me not
Labor
like
right
it.
live at the same time it's
But let
going
me tell you
on.
what me do as well. Me block all
Them
of
a
them.
talk
Every
about
moment one of them.
PNP and something.
Well, me block Reedy a Cash and I give me a problem. Me block Reedy and two other one, but Cash I can't find out for black Cash and all me a try.
Oh, you don't know if you block it?
Me
if
no
I
know
call you black,
option when me get pon the rest of them fi block them. Me
No,
nah see come
no.
up off the
Cause you
Cash
you
no
have
and.
a
want to
real
see
one
it.
like Coleman in
And
a
you wanna want to see it. But who is this B person? Cause me hear like the person at Anyway, me have studied some laws and sitting
The
so.
person in the box, one name James or whatever she name or who, so if I name up until now, from him come up here not talking.
oh man, I
And we
remember.
don't know this
You look like
person.
No, this and the person when name B. Who is that person?
I don't know that person either.
Oh,
All
what
right,
Jim
you see the
gone.
person gone?
I'm me
Jim gone.
remember.
And
Yeah.
B
All
gone
right.
too. J and B gone. Them
Then just come and we don't know nothing about them. We just sit down in the box and not talk, not say nothing.
you know
Right
why
it.
they
Cadet is here. Cadet is here.
Politics, will you invite me over for man?
I may invite you.
Somebody invite me.
No one of me. Cause me no invite traitors.
Where's your one?
what is no.
So
I
what
said
going
that.
for your constituency? Hey, you lucky so we talk back to you now. What going over there?
Oh,
Which
at the
constituency?
labor right this way always attack like PMP.
Yes, him same one.
Or him.
Which constituency? Me? I don't know.
So you know living at the constituency
You don't
again
know
from
now.
Chilani.
I spend less time here.
Where you spend the overseas?
No man, don't not because I shift no vote.
Oh,
I thought Chilam him come from. If I
what you mean
Chilam
you
him
shift
come
your
from.
vote?
You know, say I
Shift
want
my
to see you
vote.
again, bud.
Shift. Shit, me vote Ghana naturally.
Where Chilani you come from?
Let me hear what that. Hold on there. Hold on. Let me hear what B has said. B, what is it, B? Good day. Welcome. B. Okay, bye.
Yeah, I got
Man again.
but in
Me jump
Yeah,
out
what?
again.
Good man, me. My good
yes,
man. Me
I
hear
told
one
my
online here, so I do the thing same way.
So who is the
Just do the
MP
thing.
down by the next
two
place,
my
Natural?
Two over.
two
Okay, so yeah, campaign for you.
Yeah.
You say you stop mad out now.
Well, if that's what you say, then fine.
I want question me have to ask him, you know. I want question me have to ask him. You vote secure for Labour, right? Cause you're a waiver to
Me
me, you know,
not
you're a
trust that
waiver.
B person here. I feel like I want black the person because them
For
have
two over
one
and
follower.
yes.
yeah, black the one the man.
Alright then.
Yeah, me trust
A
me
couple
put you
times I
up in
listen to you,
Sometimes
I'm
them
not
a do
sure
me
because
so.
you like you're a waiver, you know?
me
You're not the
put it, me
winner.
Wave
put that B
over.
person there in I box too much time and give them a
You
chance.
know talk so hardcore
Sometimes
like a
I do look
Labour,
at
right?
Asian
Like
person up
you
in
know?
India.
No,
Yeah?
father.
Like you
You
will be
see,
persuaded and
Hold
will
on,
change, you know.
let me
And
hear what
Chinese
Kalia
them
say.
looking gifts.
Yeah? Kali, talk again.
But say sometimes you see those people so look at Asian and Chinese them looking gifts.
Yeah, I am aware, yes, that's
Yeah,
correct.
sometimes they stray,
Alright,
yeah.
tomorrow. Yeah.
no, you see, if I don't know swing, but let me tell her, I just refuse to play certain kind of games.
No, don't get in. No, we don't want to hear
Yeah.
your personal. We
Somebody
don't want to.
again, man.
No,
You're
this
going
is
to
not
come
personal thing.
We don't want to hear why you change. Nobody got this. We know.
Me not
You're good.
change
You're good.
politics. I am a hardcore laborite.
No, we don't want to know why
That's
you
all me
change.
want to know. That's all me want to
Yeah,
know.
man, I am a hardcore supporter and member of the Jamaica Labour Party.
All right, boss. But we don't want to get into no.
I
So
told me did a
cadet,
question him, I say he look
cadet,
like him a waiver. That's why I
cadet,
did I try to explain. But he say my
cadet.
hardcore, so leave it right there, sir.
Drakas.
What
Yo,
you do what you do with all them signature that what you get is 6,000 signature. What you do with them?
No, we don't want to go there, so brother Jack.
I don't know what you're
All
talking
right,
about,
all right.
sir.
Sorry,
We
sorry,
don't
sir.
Oh my
want.
god, me care about that.
We
Jack.
don't.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
tap up the
Make
live,
we hear
people tap up
from.
the live, tap up
Hello,
and
Make we hear
please
share.
from
stop.
Chef Wayne. Make we hear from Wayne.
We and chef.
Yo,
Your
What's
background.
up?
You're there on the live, you know,
Come
boss.
in.
I'm here cooking some chicken with soup.
Okay, okay.
I'm
Okay.
What's
chefing in the kitchen, you know.
Oh, me know who know. Me know who know.
Omti
What?
Sterling, welcome.
How you guys there going?
Mine is
But
going good.
good
That's
night,
fine.
boss.
That's nice,
The
nice,
boss come
nice.
back from the island and then touch the island and start work.
So me here, we see, Mark Golden and the little chichi man from where used to be a man, the
You
road
know,
that
me
kick
not
out.
really talk about them though. Me not really talk about them, you
Where
know.
road that kick out, the conference that talk about
You know hold on there.
why the
Hold
government
on
has,
there.
why the prime
Hold
minister has
on
so
there.
much bank
Hold on
accounts.
there, Wayne, hold on. You know, there are some rule now when me start. Me don't know. Maybe I'm more and I go left for my life. But when we come for my life, me don't want to hear nothing about them. Me don't want
Okay,
them
sir.
for my life. Me
Okay.
don't want.
But me want to tell us I have a number of bank accounts as well. Like I have investment accounts, I have loans, I have
But how
savings
much
and
Hold
accounts
on.
them
such.
have?
Somebody say.
I have four
Hold on a
investment account,
Philippine.
no, three
Somebody
investment
say.
accounts.
A person will say, you hear any rich people look up about you.
Nope.
No, they know, they
I
Who
understand.
just
are
It's,
some
talking? How
look.
much do they have?
hold
Don't
on, let me
even
tell you
Because
no.
business
Let me
people
tell
know
you.
what it is.
Let me tell you no how it go. So me have three investment accounts. Two stocks account, a US and a Jamaican, and I have a bonds US account.
Tell them.
Along in that same bank, I have a regular savings account. Now
Tell
let's go
them.
to the other bank. I have a US
So
account
that's
and I
8
have
so far.
no, that's four.
Oh.
Hold on, may I go to the next bank now? I have a US account, a Canadian
Politics.
account. Hold on up top. And I have a regular savings. How many is that? 7?
7. Yeah.
Then let's go to Jamaica National. I have a loan account there. I have a hold on, I have a fixed deposit account. And of course my credit card would come under loan, but it still have an account, the credit card account.
Mm-hmm.
So
that's 10
hold on.
Alright,
That's 10.
finish the talk and then
And then I have the NCB now. I think it's just 2 accounts, like a loan and a regular savings.
That's
NCB.
12.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
That is it.
I use a regular person.
He's a regular person.
Up top
Yes,
with a long
yes,
time.
yes. Gentle people. I know we started the live a few maybe almost an hour ago and everything, and I haven't heard we step on any positive note in terms of the mission at hand. What I would like to see.
No man, we touch
have
you up top. Up
no,
top,
no.
we just say,
Maybe
Yeah,
you
me know
weren't
what I say,
here.
but based on
go give a horse, go give a lamb.
yeah, I have heard all of that. But right now, what I would like to hear, we have how many persons on the live? 3, 6, 9 of us. We hear all the
Actually have 120 persons
yeah,
listening in
right.
total.
Yeah, in the box I'm talking. So basically, what I would like every person within the box, we see and we hear of all the narratives that have been going around surrounding the Integrity Commission, and you know the PMP, they are trying to distract the people from the Jamaica Labour Party. What I would like to hear persons in the box, I would like to hear from each individual why they should not listen to the narrative of the PMP and tell them why they should continue to focus on the Jamaica Labour Party. Because I think we are discussing some issues here where it's not gravitating to the cause. You understand? We need to get into more meaningful conversation. This is not my platform, but I can only use this to add to what I think that we should actually step towards. You understand? We have nine persons in the box. I need to hear persons continue to nail and tell the people why we should continue to support the Prime Minister and support the Jamaica Labour person. Each person should have at least.
We were going through that. We discussed that. How long you've been here?
We discussed it, but did anyone carry out that task? No. We have 9 persons in the box. At least each person should have 60 to 90 seconds to demonstrate to the viewers and those in the For You page why the people of Jamaica should continue to support the current government and should not listen to the narratives of the PMP. And we should just kick the PMP out through the window. Rather than we should even allow them to enter through the door, fling them through the window. So let us tell Jamaicans why we must continue.
Me say what me have to say.
Well, on the politics, but hold on, Greg. Politics. This is something I'm bringing. I don't know if it's something that you understand, but take charge of the live.
Give us an example up top.
Okay, so all right, we understand and we see what's going on in Jamaica and the narratives that the PMP have been spreading with. We see things have gotten louder within the last week or week and a half. I would like to hear individuals on the platform.
But I not even think it get louder, and I think it's because if you look.
Can
I have a minute, please?
Yeah, man. So what we want to do, we want to hear persons come up in the box and they keep telling Jamaicans why they should continue to support the Jamaica Labour Party. Just continue to nail it in people's head. You understand?
Yeah, that's it. With this, I did say that. I did discuss that. I don't know how long you've been in the box. I did not take notice, but I did discuss that prior. However, I think what you're saying is that we should now each go through why they should do this.
But man, everybody have a say. You give persons a minute, 2 to 3 minutes to present themselves and tell Jamaicans why people should.
I did tell them. I did bring that point
Well,
across.
me
And what
know
I
this
would
much.
tell you, hold on, Sam. I can tell you guys to get the, hold on.
Yeah. You see,
Hold
Mr.
on,
Up
Khaled.
top.
Hold on.
Okay,
Sorry.
go ahead.
So,
Go ahead.
we can download the 2020 manifesto. It's on the website, so we can go through all the accomplishments that we've had since 2020 until now, and we can go through them, and you will see that all of those commitments, most like 80%, we've achieved thus far, right? And of course, when the new manifesto comes out, we will also go through that. It's very important that we get this document,
Yes.
right?
So
And we discuss it.
what we do, persons in here can present, like come with their own manifesto why they think that people of Jamaica should support the Jamaica Labour Party.
No,
You
man, the
give persons.
manifesto is there, upgrade, up
Yeah,
top.
but,
The
but but not
manifesto is
everybody.
there.
We understand and we know that the manifesto is there, but I'm thinking about
The
people own
personal
Yeah,
individual
may
experience.
I agree
personal
with you know, up
experience.
top.
I'm
May I
talking
agree with you
about
100%. May I agree with
personal experience,
Personal
because
experience.
manifesto doesn't rub shoulder with the people. Not everybody can read and write. Not everybody, but as people move around, they meet
No,
up
we are
on
going to come
different
and talk
experience.
about it. We're going to talk about it.
Yes,
It's
but
going to be a
what I would want
discussion.
persons to do, Philippian, is give their own personal views. That's what I'm vying for. You understand?
Well,
So people could give
well,
their
me
own
know
personal
me
views.
almost 50-year-old, and for me have sense. And I see politics and government in Jamaica. I have never seen the amount of work that being carried out by one government in any term in my entire life, not to my recollection. I can never. What I could remember back in the days, everything that had to done, government always say, "Oh, we can't afford it. We don't have the money." And if they do something, it's always a loan.
All right. So
This government I work
let me
almost
so hold on
14
there, Sam.
parishes.
Sam, may I leave here? May I leave after I live soon? So me just go through I think 10 points that they're working on. So they're one, building a stronger economy. Two, governance and security and justice for all. Equal access to healthcare and wellness for all. Energy and the blue and green economy. Building a digital Jamaica. Building brand Jamaica for development, quality education for all, building a stronger Jamaican society, local government, community development, infrastructure. Hold on, let me just go through it real quick. I'm gonna have no time to stay. May I go home? Hold on. All right. So the first one I talk about. So you can mute, please. Hello, somebody's phone is ringing. So the first one it speak about. Hold on. Yeah, the first one it speak about the macroeconomic stability and then talk about that. So we can discuss it. So Ono can pull it up and discuss it. All right. The next one is improving the business climate and diversity of the economy to drive growth. The next one is finance support to recover stronger. Right. The next one is health. And it talk about the building out of the hospitals, and we can see that it talk about other things, but I'm just running through it quick, right? And we can see that we've almost achieved. Well, we achieved this. The 4 hospitals are being built to know. Number 5, strengthening the social safety net. Under this section, it speaks of the social pension that was implemented, and it speak about the unemployment insurance. There are other points, so you can discuss them in greater detail. There is the number 6, land and housing. May I echo? Hello? Somebody can mute, can I echo? Yes, so. Hello? Yes. So number 6, land and housing, and it speaks to 30% of houses will be reserved for
Politics here,
policemen.
echo true.
Police, I can
Alright,
hear about
hold on.
police.
Philippine, hold on. Cause
Are
well,
your
up
phone in
top
a ring?
yeah,
Hold on,
but man,
your phone in a ring?
yeah, man. Alright, so
Philippian,
we're
hold
Mute
on
it,
a
cause
second.
hold
Hold
on,
on,
we're up top
sports.
still.
Hold on, little political and
We're up
sports.
top with that still.
Philippians.
yeah.
I personally benefited from the increase in the tax threshold, right? And I also personally benefited from the restructuring of the public sector, where my
Yes.
salary was increased by over 200%.
Me too,
That is
girl.
what Up Top General is
What?
talking
Yes.
about.
But me
So General Up
understand.
Top General want persons to talk about how this government has how it impact their life
Repeat the
personally.
percent
We
again.
understand
Repeat the
what you're
percent.
saying with the
Yes, that's what
list,
I'm going
but
about.
what you want is for persons to hear how people benefited
Right, and the impact the
personally.
Jamaica Labour
We're not
Party has.
talking about
Right.
handout. Yes, we can go through the manifesto, but all the time you hear that the people on the ground are not
Not
feeling it. So
exactly.
what
Thank
What
we
that
you.
it
want
mean?
is for persons to come with their
With their
personal
personal
experience
views.
of
Yes.
how
Exactly.
this government has impacted
Impact
their
their life.
lives.
Thank you,
That
man.
is
Thank
what
you.
Up Top General is talking
Exactly.
about.
Yes, I understand too. So how much percent is here again, Miss Lady? How much percent?
Me have to go
Over
here, guys.
200 and something.
Mine as
Man?
well.
Oh my God.
Mine as well. So
You
she's
too.
not. Yes. It's so much
So
better.
Philippian,
Yeah.
what kind of work you do?
Can I
I'm a social worker.
Okay.
can I have a minute, please?
You never know you work for government, you know, I didn't know. All the time.
All
Can I
right,
have a
guys. We're
minute,
gonna
please?
hold on, guys. Philippian, we're not we're grateful for the information that you have just passed. She gone, but that's okay. So, guys, for me, what I want to hear, we have 8 persons in the box. We want to hear personal experience and impact that have been able to take place in people's life. How the Jamaica Labour Party has been able to impact your community, your personal life, your family life. And when person hear of the great testimony, I am sure they will somehow, you understand, like the whole settings and figure, oh, people saying this and people saying that, and listen, this man get that the type of experience. This is what going on. You understand? Manifesto, and everybody can read and everybody can listen to manifesto. We want to hear people personal happenings as they move around the country. How the
I agree.
Jamaica Labour Party has been able to impact their social life and other people within their community and their community as well. You understand? And I want to hear I want to hear persons on the platform demonstrating to Jamaican society as a whole why they should vote the undecided. We want to bring a message to the undecided. We want to bring a message to the persons who, those persons, the PMP, have been able to tangle their mindset. We want to clear that out of them head space and let us think on the positive note. You understand? Try to let them not to get distracted, but to keep focus on the reality at hand.
Well, anyway,
Can I have a minute,
I was
please?
talking first. Let me finish my point.
Yes,
What I
Sam.
was
So,
saying.
Sam, we're going to start with you, Sam,
Big up
where
straight,
we
big
want you
up,
to
big up.
share your views and tell Jamaicans and the undecided why they should vote and always stick to the Jamaica Labour Party. And after we go to Sam and Sam is finished, we go to Cadet. And then we take
No,
it from there.
sir. Me need to say something. And all on the platform is talk and I want
All
nobody
right,
on the
so hold on,
platform
Cadet.
All
talk.
right, let Cadet go on. Let
Sam
Cadet
and
go
then
on.
Cadet, you next. Sam, take it away.
Okay, like I was saying, I have never seen any government in my time been doing so much things across the entire Jamaica. Must it probably the 14 parishes. I believe things is going on. Well, personally, in my surroundings where I'm from, but I could talk about when we see with my own eye, I could actually count probably about 15 roads that been fixed. Baba Green, all them roads in Comapin, come all the way back up, come Junction, Top Hill, go round, Stephen Run, go to Nain, Baba Green, all those roads, a whole big water infrastructure system setting up in Lettuce. a whole lot of things going on in my surrounding that I could see with my eyes. Other than that, I could see things that publish every day on social media. Me have the Prime Minister page on my phone, so me see whatever they publish, I could see. And things going on around the whole country and in my entire life. When me I grew up, me remember the days when me left school as a teenager. People cannot find work. The only thing we could have did go do is pick some peanut, make one little garden for ourselves, and a little something there. Nothing. No, me see everybody I take taxi go work a morning time, go to junction, businesses open up all over the place, people working. I have never seen that in my entire life. So me not ask nobody if this a government I do well. Me not get no raise up pay in the government system, because me not work for government, but I have seen it and people talk about it. That the big raise up pay that they get and people earning money, everybody driving, could afford their car, pay their bills and do whatever. This government is the government to lead Jamaica. It's clear, anybody can say that. The only person can say that is a die-hearted PMP. That's it, period. And I rest my case right.
All right, thank you, Sam. Thank you, Sam, for your views. This is how we want to organize the thing. Rather than everybody talking over, everybody will get an opportunity to speak. So now we are going to move on to Cadet. Cadet will share his own personal views and experience, and he will exploit to the Jamaican people why people of Jamaica should go out and vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. Cadet, take it away.
I will take my minute to do something else, sir. What I wanted to say is I'm sorry Philippian gone, but I can address politics. Am I being heard?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is how I have seen the political field going. Beating on the topic and telling persons why they should vote for the Jamaica Labour Party because of what is being done is one thing. But government doesn't win elections. Party does. So you see, especially with this IC thing, which I see the opposition exploiting, I believe that the persons here, and I don't know if a Chuck do it, because I know say Chuck good pan them something, is take the IC report and go through it key by key and explain it, because I have read the Integrity Commission report, and I can tell you, the opposition leader is misleading the country grossly, and the people's bad mind party is misleading this country grossly. And there's nothing you can tell the common man down here who don't like read. Say the current Prime Minister finger don't sticky. We should take topics like those and explain it all to people, because I know everybody like reading up. And when I traverse the roads and people are say certain things, say, oh, 100, 100, that I look at me and say, I wonder if them people read the Integrity Commission report and really know how financing goes. Because they cannot know that, because you don't hear not even the simplest of an accountant licking out against this thing. Only the common loggerhead persons who don't know the life of business talking about this. And we must be honest, it is hitting the party in the back part wicked. And we must go out there and combat it.
And
if we don't, and if we don't combat it, it is going to cost us a bigger trouble. And the problem is because we, as many of us Jamaicans, we don't like to read. Because we sit down around my dinner table and we read it. And if a company does not register profit if their expenses is way more than their income. How the hell are they going to pay taxes? How is that company going to pay taxes? So going out there and telling people that, oh, 4 new hospitals, oh, 6 helicopters, oh, brand new police vehicles, oh, this, oh, that. You think that the dirty footman down there, so want to hear that? A
Me
dirty
agree.
footman want to hear what is going on. Dirty footman want to ensure that his prime minister is leading him properly. We cannot allow the PNP to go in out there and paint, especially the honorable prime minister, in a way where he is now being hated by Jamaicans. We can't allow that. Me not really
We
business
don't know that. We
about some of
don't
the
know
MPs,
about
you
that
know.
where he's
You know
being
what I
hated.
care about? Me prime
He's
minister.
been hated
Kenneth.
by PMP, not Jamaicans. That statement is wrong.
You watched the Prime Minister live a while ago while he was in St. Mary?
Yes.
Listen, we can ride and whistle, right? And we can talk and chew gum at the same time. We're doing exactly what you're saying. We are to do, it is already being done.
on
Okay?
different
But we
platforms.
have to balance it,
Of
and you
course.
have a responsibility as well to educate people.
Exactly, to
So when
educate
you're
people.
out there and hear them attack the nonsense, you can counter the nonsense as well. And we have been doing that. Obviously, you're not following live them, because you wouldn't be
No.
saying this if you were following
No.
us.
To be honest
Chopper
with
gone
you,
through it. Chopper has
They
gone
did.
through it.
Yeah.
Ren's girl,
A
Lashika,
whole entire life.
Travi, Winner, on
Everybody
every
go through it. Of
platform.
course.
We have been
well, me
going through
expect
the
that from Chuck
integrity
because I know the Chuck
report.
good pan is something there. So me the expect
Chuck was a
Chuck,
part of
me
that
the-
life too as
me
well.
the expect Chuck to go through it. But I can tell you, I combat it because I will fist it out verbally with anybody out there for my prime
Right,
minister,
boss.
because I have
All right,
seen here.
hold your point there, Cadet. Hold
No,
your
I
point.
have seen where my prime minister has led my country from poverty to prosperity. Yes, he have a few little troublesome, but my prime minister have brought this country out of the worst. And I
All
can
right.
tell you, it is not right for many Jamaicans to be doing the prime minister like this. He has
All
a
right,
family
Cadet.
too.
Cadet. Hold your point for now, Cadet. Hold your point for now. Thanks for your expression. We're gonna move to Marvet. We just as we said before, take it away and tell Jamaicans why, and share your own personal experience.
Well, as I said before, I mentioned the increase in the tax threshold, and I mentioned the increase in my salary as a public sector worker. But I am from the once forgotten parish of St. Thomas, and I work in Kingston. So you see, when I leave Kingston and going home and enter from Harborview and going to St. Thomas, you see, when I reach a place called Grand Spen and coming off that little hill that overlooks the sea, my heart swell. And for the first time in my almost 50 years, I am able to stop at a stop sign, a stoplight in St. Thomas. Okay, and every time I'm going home and I'm passing Mount Bay, I have to stop and look at the progress of the urban center that is being built in Mount Bay. Currently, my section of the road now is being worked on. Yeah, it might slow us up a little bit and so, but when I look at it, I can't wait to see when that road is finished, right? When I leave my home coming to Kingston, when I reach Mount Bay, I can take 20 minutes from Mount Bay to reach to Kingston, which usually takes me an hour and a half up to 2 hours. Yes? So that alone is saying something, and I am proud to be a supporter of the Jamaica Labour Party, and I am proud of my Prime Minister, Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Michael Holness. Okay?
Yes, Marvet. So I've heard that wonderfully said. What I would like to hear from you, I would like to hear you tell the undecided in Jamaica and those on the curve, the undecided as we speak, why they should think and why should they go out and vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. You have seen all the natural beauty of St. Thomas. Yes, but what word can you pass on to the undecided and those who have a mind-boggling state right now about casting their next vote in the next general election? What would you say to those persons?
Right. For me, I want to personally speak to the persons of Eastern St. Thomas, okay? And I would like to say to them that a lot of them are suffering from what we call the Stockholm Syndrome. They are used to this type of politics where things are promised and nothing is being done, right? So when they hear the promises, they might say, oh, then just a promise with not now go on. A lot of those persons there are used to the handout mentality. But I'm saying to you, the handout cannot help you. It cannot help your children. It cannot help your grandchildren. When Eastern St. Thomas is developed, right, as this government is doing, you don't have to go to the MP office to ask for help to send your children to school. You'll be able to send your children to school. You don't have to sit down and wait with the hand of your jaw saying, I don't know where my next dinner go come from, right? There will be a new call center, BPO sector in Morant Bay, where you can get jobs, right? Where you can be employed, where you can be independent, right? You don't have to depend on the politician, right? In order for you to survive. And if you vote for this government, you're voting for your children, your grandchildren to prosper and to put your little Eastern, right, side of the island on the map, right? Yes, you may want a little $10,000 and a little $5,000, but remember when that finish, you don't have nothing else, right? It's going to be difficult. Someone have to left go all the way at Kingston go work because no work not at St. Thomas. This government have provided job in a Eastern St. Thomas where you can go and work and come home, can take care of your children. Right? So these are the things that you need to vote for. Now watch the little money, right? Make sure you get your water, you get in your water, you get in your road. The MP just hand out 87 black tanks where you can get water, right? A lot of you get your little farm work card where you can go up and farm work where you can help your family. That makes you independent. Right? So these are the things why you need to vote. Don't vote for your belly today. Right? Vote for things that are lasting. Things where you can pay your rent. You can send your little baby go to school without having to beg any politician anything. Right? You get good road for drive pan. So if you take sick in a night, if you go down a Princess Margaret, the vehicle now for you drop down in a pothole, you get smooth road. Quick 15 minutes time you reach. Right? So you can get the best help. So that is why I am asking you to put your X beside the bell in the next general election. I know that a lot of them will come to you and they will promise you things and then we give you money. But remember when the money done, then a business with you again. And you are going to there suffer. Someone will not beg little money for help with a little business, to start a little business. But if you don't have people at work and if you don't have all of the necessary things, you got school people at work, nobody now go do if you support the shop where you want. Right? So even if you get the help for the little shop, the shop now go prosper because the development no round there. So you have to vote for the little shop and you have to vote for the development so the little shop can prosper as well. Okay? All right.
Well said, Marvet. You know, I really like the way how you crafted that in terms of telling the people why they should all vote for the Jamaica Labour Party and your own personal experience. You can gather some more thoughts as you stay on the platform as well, but we're gonna move to the next person who is Kali. Kali, are you there?
I was waiting, and I'm on the street now. It's very noisy. I don't know if when I come back, I just run out to the supermarket.
Okay, so we'll actually
Yeah, maybe when I come back and catch it, I will have something to say. Okay?
all right.
It's very
Info.
noisy where I am now.
Info, Wagwan.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. What's the discussion about? Maybe make me reach late, so I have to enlighten my darkness before I can give my 2 cents.
Okay, so the whole point about it is that we are here, and today we're just asking persons who come up in the box and to share their own personal views why the Jamaica Labour Party is the choice for Jamaica at this time. So you can share your personal views in terms of when you move around Jamaica, the different types of development that you have seen and the changes that you have seen. And
all right. My personal views is personal experience that very much about emotional one, but I'm going to share it. I favor big up on yourself. Good evening or good afternoon, everyone. Again, I see. During the local government campaign, I was up and about all over the island, and those who follow TikTok should know. I have my heartbeat is at my 3-year-old little nephew. He's like mine. I have mine. So I was in St. Elizabeth when the Prime Minister, that massive crowd in Junction, I was there. And when I left Junction, I told the guy who was driving the car, I said, I'm going to pick up my nephew. I'm going to go Spanish Town. And to be honest with you, I went to Spanish Town for my nephew, Big Boss. And on the way reaching home, I put him down because he's a man love KFC. I never stopped there. All independent, I never stopped. So it was about 11 o'clock in the night and he was coughing. I said, perhaps what happened? And so I said, let me get some room temperature water. And I get the room temperature water. Then as soon as I drink the water, I cough up. When he cough up, a lone blood up top general. It's lone blood. I live a few blocks away from the Mapen Hospital. I live a few blocks away. So it's like a walking distance. So I just took him up, run downstairs and took up the towel, just in Marina, fully blood, and we go to the hospital. And the doctor saw us, they rushed us, and they start to look at him, take some blood, do some testing, do the regular routine. Me never like to see the big nigla going on, so say they go cry and blah, 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 whatever. But it happened about 10 o'clock to 11 in the night, and I left the Mapen Hospital minutes after 1. Both of us were going home. I said to myself, when I was leaving the hospital, if I get nothing from my party, this is what I vote for. Everything was done to my nephew at the hospital, free of cost, even the medication, the hospitality, everything was done at the Mapen Hospital. Everything was done, the blood test, the x-ray, everything was done in one night at the Mapen Hospital. Everything would cost me at least at 20,000 to 40,000 was done at the Mapen Hospital for one night. And maybe up top journal, maybe you don't know me nephew who follow info for a very long while, know say you always in the background and me go live giving me trouble. Maybe the persons in the comment section who know me, in ever in the background I get trouble. Want the boom boxing, want me to come off alive, he always here with me. So persons who follow info, I'm so blessed, must hear him enough time. JLP media, yes, they know him. He always in the background. Uncle come no, me have it end the live. So when me see the treatment that he got from my government, the hard work he uncle put in this government, I am truly, that night when I was walking home, because it was a walking distance, I was a proud Labourite then, and I'm a still Labourite now. And I'm a proud one, even more prouder. That is my achievement of my government. The small things matters for me.
all right, Info. Yeah, for real. So now that you have said that, that's your personal experience, and it's a wonderful one, all because of the hard work in Jamaica Labour Party. What I would like to hear from you now, Info, I want you look over your shoulder, look straight ahead, and you're gonna tell the Jamaican people why you think that the Jamaica Labour Party belongs to the people of Jamaica, and the Jamaica Labour Party is the party of choice right now. The persons who are out there right now that is undecided, following the narratives within the last week and two, having a mind-boggling settings right now, a cobwebbed mind, because their head has been tangled with the all levels of lies and propaganda from the other side. What would you say to those persons right now who have a mind-boggling situation right now and don't really know where to...
Let me say this, up top, General. Jamaica has come a far way in the young voters. Maybe you not have experienced it. In 1992, leading up to 2006, we were the murder capital of the world, the begging's capital of the world, the most corrupted nation of the world. Persons were dying on the hospital floor. Prisoners couldn't get food. Children are leaving, students are leaving school, can't read and write. Jamaica was the dirt bag of the entire world. We were scorned in the entire Caribbean. Jamaica was nothing. Bruce Golding came in 2007, and Bruce Golding make an attempt to change how we live, how we eat, how we walk, how the world views us. We last in 2011. We come back, we return in 2016. When we return, Jamaica was the scorn of the world. Trinidad laugh at us, then call we beggar, then everything that's bad about Jamaica in 2016. Right now, right now, don't take my word for it. Don't take my word for it. Go and look at the international market. We sit with the big boys. We not borrow, and we not beg anymore. Our tax dollar is working for us. It's 7-8 long years Jamaican haven't seen a tax on their backs. Andrew Holness and his led administration released the tax burden of these Jamaican people. We have not a things to thank. Our hospital system is now the second-class system in the world under Dr. Christopher Tufton. Our police force is a world-class police force under Dr. Chang. And our economy is one of the best. It is the poster child of the world. Dr. Nigel Clark did so well. The IMF said, look here, Jamaica alone can't get the nicest. We want some of the niceness too. I am a proud Labourite because Jamaica image has returned to the international market. Our pride has returned. We are now the pearl of the Caribbean. We can hold our head high. Jamaica is a brand because of Andrew and his led government. Jamaica is a brand because of you up top, General Marcia, Kali, Marvet, Sam, Nathaniel, and Church Child Brown. We make it possible for this country can stand on its feet and look into America and say, yes, we are not the beggars anymore that you see us as. We are a country of substance and stability. There's a lot out there that we can sell to vote. It's the first time in our history a man can sit down on them body at 76 and still get a pension. Labour do that. It's the first time in our history people can take up themselves and go to art free of cost. Labour do that. It's the first time a man can walk in at the hospital and say, look here, I want a surgery. Labour do that free of cost. First time when you're sick and you want a surgery, doctor say, carry your cow, come. And if you have one young daughter, if a man doctor and say, carry her, come because you can't pay his surgery. Now you can walk and choose from surgery to surgery. Labour do that. Jamaica is a brand. And a Labour Party make Jamaica becomes a brand in the international eyes. That's my 2 cents.
All right, well said, Info. Trust me, your testament is more than emotional. I'm telling you. When you listen to you, I can hear the passion in your voice, bro. For real, I know that you're dedicated to this loyal party that serve Jamaica. And I just want to remind Jamaican people, that under this Jamaica Labour Party government, Jamaica is on a solid foundation towards continuous prosperity. Let us continue to push the words out there. Let us continue to be the back soldiers and the backbone of the Jamaica Labour Party, because without we as workers and supporters and bloggers and everything, the Jamaica Labour Party will never cross it. You understand? So let us just continue to push out the good work, man. When you speak, Info, I could hear the passion in your voice for your party and the beauty that you have seen around the country. But, you know what I mean? We know that you are who you are. You're very passionate.
I travel the country every day. Every day. When I'm not doing football, I'm doing politics. When I'm not doing politics, I'm doing entertainment. But let me tell you something. It's first time in Jamaica I can get to one place in the split of a second. When I travel Kochi, when I travel to Montego Bay, when I travel to Kingston, normally, let me say this to you. I live close to Mandeville. And why I live close to Mandeville? I don't live close to Mandeville because I live in Mandeville. I live in Maypen. All right. Over the weekend, I was going to a match at Kirkvine. That's right out Kirkvine. I'm living in the heart of Maypen. And the match starts 3:30. And I left my house 3 o'clock to catch a match in Kirkvine 3:30. And when I reach at the game, 3:15. I take 15 minutes from the town of Maypen to Mandeville. And that brand new piece of stretch of highway, courtesy of the man who they try to get out by the way of lie and deception and a set of coup. But I can tell them something, people. But I can tell them something. Try what you may. Do what you want. But you can't. Them things I gotta sleep. God no like ugly. God no like ugly. And we are not going to sit back and watch we are not going to sit back and watch the PMP play the game. If you can play that game, we can play too. We can play too.
Me know say me talk already, but me want add to the part where you say.
Sam, you will get that time. Hold on, Sam. Sam,
right?
Hold on, Sam. Hold on. Hold your point. You're here. We have as much time.
Right.
We have nowhere going. I am going to move to Churchill.